he wants to get out too.
Cookie likes them.
Babsy, have the camera. Hurry. Give me the camera. Give me the camera. Hey.
Hi guys, welcome to another Bozy 2009
Want to get
video.
at me?
Coconut.
Oh, he just got scared.
It's Cookie. Cookie's still not out the cage.
No, Cookie, don't. Please, you're so hard to catch.
Coconut?
Oh, you almost fell.
No, please don't do it.
Oh, don't. It's okay.
Mama, توفاش حاول
خليها نبي نسبي علي.
This is so amazing.
He's got poop on Cookie.
He's gonna poop on Cookie. Oh, Cookie's so mad.
Everyone, this is the first time.
Yeah.
Dad said let them chill with you. I want him.
Don't fly, please. Oh,
Coconuts, come with me. It's okay. I'll save your life.
He wants to get in. He's like, open me the door. Cookie, open the door.
Why are you scared of me?
Move.
Hey.
Mama, move. He's scared of you.
Oh, he's.
What? Naughty.
Don't. We have to get Coconut now.
No.
Yes, get him into the cage. Don't, Mama, don't. Let him get. Don't.
Get inside.
No! Leave him alone.
Please.
You have to get him in.
That's right. Everyone, just watch him.
Okay. Sit next to Mama, don't.
Come here.
Oh,
I'll get a stick.
Cookie hit the wall.
I can't believe it. Hey, come here. It's your stick, remember?
Yeah, move.
I'll
Hey, he trusts me, I think. Hey, Coconut. You know me? No.
Guys, leave him alone.
He's gonna fly. I need to send this to Dad and Mom. Look at Cookie. Oh, God. Cookie's
He
stomach.
got so hurt. He wanted to save his brother. That was the saddest thing I ever see.
No, it's not sad. He hit the wall, but no, it's normal things to birds. They don't die when they hit windows, walls.
Coconuts.
But how are we gonna get him back in the cage?
I can, just wait. When Mom tells us, I'll put him back. Let him. Dad said, I'm going to mushroom. Hey, don't fly on me.
He's got mud.
I think he's enjoying
This is Bozy 2009. Hey.
Come
This is
on.
not a perfect team.
Hey!
No, on the carpet. Don't.
Shit, man.
I need to send. Oh. He's got about your legs, Coconut. Put him in the cage.
He has to get used to me. Please don't fly on my face. I'm being serious.
He's gonna fly on your face. Careful.
Stay here.
No. Oh, he's watching TV. He's watching Chris.
My laptop. You fucking.
OMG.
Ow! Coconut,
in, I think.
Hey, he likes it. He really likes this place.
That's just like LNAXP. He makes lots of budgie video. Guys, I think the video is too long now. I think we should end it.
And we have fun with him.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye,
Bye.
guys.
Make sure to subscribe to see more funny videos. Peace, man.